Hey, it's Pat Shuff with Making the Space. Sorry I haven't done much updating lately with the Norm Abrams New Yankee Workshop site going down. My intention was to go through and build New Yankee Workshop projects. On the flip side, I've got a house renovation that I'm doing. I'm not a professional contractor, I'm an electrical engineer, and was in sales for most of my life, but you know, you do what you do. I retired in February, and we purchased a house. The part of the house I'm focused on for this series is the small 1-by-1 bedroom. The property has 3 buildings on it and a trailer. The trailer was shoehorned in by putting a roof over it, and it was attached to the plumbing. It was kind of scary would be the best word. Some things I'm going to do myself, some things I'm going to pay paid professionals to do. Plumbing, electrical, definitely professional. Destruction of major structures with a tree in the middle of the structure, I'm paying somebody to do that. Once we had the trailer removed, the awning over the trailer and the joining room between the 2 buildings, we were able to get in and look at what was needed. Definitely we needed a new roof, and definitely we needed foundation because there was substantial termite damage to parts of the building. The layout of the 1-by-1 is relatively simple. You walk into a living area from the front door at the corner. To the right is a kitchen, and then to the right of the kitchen is a doorway which leads back into a bedroom, and there's a bathroom in the bedroom. Overall, it was in pretty poor shape. The floor was very spongy. The walls were okay. Most of it was plywood, but a lot of it was termite infested. So one layer of the plywood had been eaten away. We basically gutted everything and put in new subfloor and a new roof about the same time. So a quick walkthrough of the main living area without the flooring in. We basically had the foundation, the floor joists leveled, and then the exterior we could get access to once the foundation was stable and the roof was stable. We could do replacing studs that were rotten. I put in the door and the windows. I'm about to frame the windows up. I've got to put Tyvek up, thus the 3 ladders. One going all the way to the roof, one going partial way, and one just above the window so I can get it set up and going. The inside of the house is fairly small. It's an 800 square foot house. A large main room with a, we're going to put a kitchen here, and then through that door is a bathroom, and through what's now a window, and I'm going to board that window over, is a bedroom. So I put in those 2 windows there, and then another window back there, and then I'm going to put a new window in there and another window here. And that's my objective for today, is to finish the Tyvek siding, which means I get to climb up on the ladders. Finish the Tyvek siding on the back side. The front side's all finished because it's only 9 feet tall, so it's relatively straightforward. And then I put some siding strips up to act as braces to put siding between. The manufacturer suggested not going to the edge with siding and covering it, but going to the siding boards and then caulking. So that's what I'm doing. So, fun project. This is what I'll be working on most of the day.